lucky enough to be here in the studio at MetService with the weather behind us, a green screen. So this is where you find out about all the severe weather events. Lisa, tell us a bit more about that process of identifying severe weather.
Well, once we know that there is severe weather warnings in place, we come into the studio here and make the severe weather videos. So here on the green screen, and we use a program called Weatherscape that shows you all the graphics.
So you've got different levels of warning.
We do. We have a colour-coded system, a yellow, an orange and a red. Red is the most severe. Yellow is just a heads up, there could be some weather coming. Orange is when you get certain criteria. So for flooding, 100 millimetres in 24 hours, at that stage you're going to start seeing some flooding around the country. And red for really the most severe events. These are possibly the life and death events. These are the ones that you really need to make sure you prepare for.
And this warning system hasn't been around that long, so you may have only heard of a few red warning scenarios, big events, but are we likely to get bigger events more often in the future?
Well, with climate change, we're seeing a warmer globe and a warmer atmosphere, and a warmer atmosphere can hold more moisture. So when it does fall, we can get more heavy rain events. So unfortunately, we will see that in the future with climate change. But hopefully, especially in our urban areas, we'll see, better infrastructure that can mitigate these events. Especially thunderstorms, because thunderstorms are over quite a small area, and thunderstorm warnings are only about 60 minutes in advance, maybe 30 minutes in advance compared to the other warnings, which can be days in advance. And those thunderstorms, well, they can be really heavy and you can get really torrential rain during those events, and quite a lot of flooding in urban areas.
Yeah, so you're relying on a lot of information, a lot of data coming into here at MetService to determine those warnings, but really good information for the public to know when floods might happen. And of course, it's cool that you're on this field trip and you're going to find out more about that process and what to do if there are floods. But kia ora. Thanks, Lisa.
Kia ora.
Great to have a look around.